In this video, we're going to focus on creating a cloud server on which we're going to install WordPress. And the way we're going to do this is by following some very basic steps. First of all, we need to go to mycloud.rackspace.com, and we're going to log in with our username and password. And then in order to create a cloud server, we need to first give it a name, select a region in which the cloud server is going to be built in. We need to select an image, which is pretty much the operating system of the cloud server. We need to select a flavor, which can be thought of as the size of the cloud server. If you need more resources, you can select a larger flavor. And then we just need to copy the root password. And once we've done that, it will just be less than a minute before our cloud server will be provisioned and ready to use. So let's go ahead and do that. I've already gone to mycloud.rackspace.com and I've logged in using my username and password. And under the Cloud Servers tab, I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Server. And I think you'll see that this is really a very quick and simple process. For server name, I'm going to call it web.wordpress.com so I know exactly what's being hosted on it. Now, there's some different selections for region, but I'm going to go ahead and keep it in the Chicago data center. As I mentioned in the previous video, I'm going to be using Ubuntu 14.04 LTS, and I'm going to select the PV HVM image. For flavor, I'm going to select the Performance 1 gigabyte performance flavor. I could go larger, but since I'm just going to be installing WordPress and doing some development work, I can save some money by going with a smaller image right now. And there are some other options down here, for example, SSH key and networks and advanced options. Because we are just focusing on simplicity at this point, I'm not going to use any of those. I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Server. After clicking on Create Server, the root password is then given to me. And you are definitely going to want to make sure that you have this copied, because once you click Dismiss, you will not see this again. In the next video, we will go ahead and log into the cloud server and we will install the LAMP package.